Hi, my name is Alex, and I'm 56 years old. My overall experience with MHI has been amazing. Carlos and Mike are very knowledgeable. They answer questions I don't even think I had. They have always been there every time I've called them. Just leave them a message and they'll call you right back, or send them a text and they'll call you right back. What I would like to tell people about testosterone therapy is it's amazing. It's something that gives you clarity in mind, gives you energy, gives you robustness of life again once you experience this. It's something that I can tell you I am very happy that I made the decision to go and do testosterone therapy. Together with the vitamins and the amino acids that I get from them, it is amazing the results that I've achieved. And I have only been on this for a little bit over 2 months. And right away, I started to experience results practically within the first 2 to 3 weeks. My stamina was up amazingly within the first week. I've been able to work out and not get the muscle fatigue that I used to get when I would work out. I've also been able to do so much more on my daily basis with my work. It's helped me be more clear at work. It's something that I would recommend to all my friends and family who were interested in having this lifestyle. It's something that you have to make a decision for yourself, because there are how can I say, sacrifices that you need to make in order to be able to live this lifestyle. You have to work hard to try to achieve the goal that you want to achieve. It's not just that they give you this and that everything's going to work perfectly. You have to put your part into this as well. And I can tell you, by putting my part in, I am seeing amazing results. I would recommend this to anybody. If this is something that you feel that you need in your life, and it's something that I felt that I needed in my life, and I'm very happy that I've done this. I would highly recommend MHI to anybody and everybody who will listen to me, because they are an amazing company. They look after you. They are not in this business for money. They're in this business for personal pleasure, which is something amazing that you see in a business. Normally, businesses just want to try to sell you and sell you and sell you. I have not felt that with Carlos or Mike at all. And I just wanted to give a testimonial to let people know how amazing this company is for people who want to look after their health and improve their quality of life, which it's done amazingly for me. So give Carlos or Mike a call, and you'll be very happy that you did.